All right, so we have a real simple front planting that we did here, and Lizzie did a good job of marrying some of the old plants with the new plants.
Yeah.
And why don't you go over this a little bit?
Well, when we arrived on the site, there was almost too much. There was a lot of shrubs in here that got really big. There was too many items, overgrown. So we really wanted to clean that out and make it really neat and nice and easy. And we can always reuse plants. You know, we really like to if we can. So there's an arborvitae to the side of the steps.
It's not too bad a size.
Yeah, and it was healthy, so we planted a second one that'll grow up and be same size and shape, really make a nice sense of entry.
And I love this dogwood. I'm glad we were able to salvage this and not be out of scale. That's the nice thing.
Yeah, it was a perfect scale to the house. It was healthy, so we kept it. We thought it would make a really nice focal point going forward for a number of years. And behind it, we added a third arborvitae to disguise the air conditioner and whatnot on the side. We put 3 boxwood in here with enough space in back of them, in front of them, and between them, so that they can grow to their full extent, you know, without being too crowded.
Right, so you got that 12 months of color and very simple, easy to take care of.
Yeah.
And then the daylilies, they were actually here. And
They were here. They were in one big patch that, you know, was down on the end, and so we were able to divide that, and we've got 7 out of one big patch.
Wow,
so
okay.
when they bloom, that color will go all the way across the front and either side of the steps. It creates a nice sense of entry there. And
again, with the stone mulch, with the fabric underneath, weeds.
very low maintenance.
Right.
Yep. So other than the occasional pruning, you know, the tree late spring, the evergreens in the middle of the summer, and the daylilies at the end of the year, that's it.
Yeah. So nice low maintenance, very simple front planting.
So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.